Looking for a Udemy discount code before you buy a course? Then don't check out just yet. One of the biggest mistakes new learners make is paying the first price they see. The reality is that Udemy regularly runs promotions, discounts, and special offers across thousands of courses, often reducing premium courses to a fraction of their regular price. Many popular courses are frequently available around the $11.99 to $14.99 range during promotional periods. And with so many valuable skills available today, finding a discount first simply makes sense. Whether you're learning AI, ChatGPT, Python, data science, web development, AWS, cybersecurity, digital marketing, copywriting, project management, business strategy, or e-commerce, Udemy has become one of the most popular platforms for practical, career-focused learning. What's interesting is that people aren't just using Udemy to learn new skills anymore. Freelancers are using it to increase their earning potential. Agency owners are learning AI automation and marketing systems. E-commerce businesses are improving advertising and conversion strategies. SaaS founders are developing technical and business expertise. And professionals are using certifications and specialized training to stay competitive in a rapidly changing job market. Another advantage is flexibility. You can learn at your own pace, revisit course materials whenever you need them, and build skills that can immediately be applied to real-world projects. So before purchasing any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you save money on your enrollment. If you're already investing your time into learning valuable skills, you might as well get the best deal available. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software discounts, online course deals, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.